Tuberculosis, or TB, is an infectious disease caused by mycobacteria. It mostly affects the lungs and can be fatal if not treated. Tuberculosis spreads through the air by infected people coughing or talking. The first line of defense is comprised of skin, saliva, mucus, and epithelial cells and airways. The second line of defense includes inflammatory response, nonspecific macrophages, and the response of the innate immune system. The inflammatory response triggers histamine release. In this case, interleukins release signals which attract nonspecific macrophages. The macrophages then engulf the bacteria. Some of the bacteria release a substance which prevents lysing, so they continue to live and reproduce in their host macrophages. Natural killer cells release chemicals that lead to cell death. The bacteria reproduce and multiply rapidly, so the macrophages are overwhelmed. Third line of defense. B cells are produced in bone marrow, and T cells are produced in the thymus. Tuberculosis T cells must multiply quickly to spread to the lungs to meet the bacteria. When a cell is infected by the pathogen, its MHC2 protein presents a piece of the pathogen to a TB-specific T cell, which binds to it, activating the T cell. From there, it can make effector or memory T cells. The effectors can either be cytotoxic or helpers. Back to the bloodstream. B cells engulf the pathogen and present the antigen on an MHC2 marker. Helper T cells bind to the antigen, which causes the B cells to reproduce and make plasma and memory cells. Plasma cells produce antibodies for TB, and the cytotoxic T cells produce cytokines, which allow the macrophages hosting living bacteria to kill the bacteria. The TB-specific antibodies bind to the bacteria and clump it together for macrophages to eat.